ሰላም ውድ የዩቲዩብ ቤተሰቦቼ እንዴት ናችሁ? በዛሬው ደግሞ ሴሽናችን ስለ ዩኒት ቬክተር እንዴት አድርገን መስራት እንዳለብን እናያለን። ይሄ ቬክተር ነው። ስለዚህ እዚች ጋር እንደምታዩት we have x and y planes. So according to these graphs, this line initial point is 0 0 and our terminal point is P, which is a comma B. So this is a vector u. So this direction, this our y-axis is j and the x-axis is direction I. So if this vector u is given by a comma b, initial point is 0 and terminal point is a comma b, so we have vector u which is a comma b. So we can write this coordinate in the form of a comma 0 plus 0 comma b, because the sum of these two coordinates that gives a comma b. That's why we can write a comma 0 plus 0 comma b. Again, also let's take out this terms, these variables a outside the bracket. So we have a comma 1 comma 0 left, because the product of this and this bracket that give this one. So now again for this bracket, for this coordinate, again let's take out b, then b into 0 comma 1, that gives this 0 comma b. The product of this coefficient b with this bracket is 0 comma b, because b times 0 is 0, b times 1 which is b. So now from these two equations, this 1 comma 0 represents i's direction, because the first coordinate is 1, the second coordinate is 0. In this direction we have only x-axis, that's why x have 1 unit and y is 0. For this direction j, there is no x here, so we can make x is 0 and y is 1. That's why here 1 comma 0, instead of this 1 comma 0 let's put I, and again instead of 0 comma 1 again let's put j. So ai plus bj is the vector u. So this is called unit vector. This I and j, they are called unit vectors. So where I is 1 comma 0 and j is 0 comma 1. So let's do some examples. Let's express the following in terms of standard units or form of I and j. So we have this bracket 5 comma 6. So what is the standard form of this 5 comma 6 in terms of unit vector? So we know that 5 comma minus 6 can be written like in the form of 5 comma 0 plus 0 comma minus 6. The sum of the two, that gives this itself, because 5 plus 0 is 5, 0 plus minus 6 is minus 6. Again from this let's write this, take out 5 as a common, so we have 5 into 1 comma 0 plus, again let's take out minus 6 here, minus 6 take out here, then what we have 0 comma 1. This also 5 times 1 comma 0, we have the product of these two, positive and negative itself, so we have 1 comma 0 comma 1. We know that this 1 comma 0 and 0 comma 1 are, they are unit vectors, can be written, this is that represent for I, and this 0 comma 1 represent j. So here 5 comma minus 6 is written to the form of this standard unit vector is 5i minus 6j. This one. Let's add another example b. Let's write minus 4 comma 8 into the standard form. This become, in short, what we have, this can be written in shortest way. We have negative 4, and we have positive 8. So simply multiply the first coordinate by I, which is minus 4I, plus, because why we can use plus here, this 8 is a positive number, so multiply the second coordinate 8 by j, so we have 8j. This is a standard form of the given equation. Let's add the last examples. What is the standard form of 0, 3? Now look, the first coordinate is 0. If you multiply by I, the result is 0. The result is 0. So we have what we have here, 0I plus 3j. But any number multiplied by 0 is 0. This is 0. So what left? We have only 3j. So this is all about unit vector. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.